Yes, we will unbox this gift from 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃.
Sabi nga ni Seth, what is inside? So we have two boxes here.
Is that a bulldozer box?
Bulldozer box. This box.
What is this inside?
We will figure out what's inside.
Hello, Rina!
Say hi to them.
Hi!
Akala ko hi to them.
Hi guys!
Hi, guys!
What are we gonna do?
I'm gonna open this.
Yes, we will unbox this gift from 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃.
Actually, matagal na namin gusto nito because especially nowadays na kailangan natin ng protection from the virus, from other impurities sa hangin, di ba? Pwede nating makuha or pwede tayo makakuha sa sakit.
What's inside daw? You will see it later. We will unbox it, okay?
These are our
We will open later, okay?
Sabi nga ni Seth, what is inside? So we have two boxes here.
Is that a bulldozer box?
This box.
What is this inside?
We will figure out what's inside. Yes,
Bulldozer in the box?
yeah, there's no bulldozer in the box. There's no bulldozer in the box. There's no bulldozer in the box. Habang di open, ayan.
So
we have the 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃
Super Air Cleaner. So
Yeah.
this is actually the 7-stage air purifier with UV germicidal disinfection that kills bacteria and viruses.
We have another item here, which is the 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃.
Smart UV robot vacuum. Tamang-tama to kasi wala kaming yaya.
Oo.
So malaking bagay to sa amin. Yung aligas-gas ng floor di na namin masyadong ma-maintain, di na namin masyadong matiis. Di na makapagwalis from time to time. So this will really help us out.
Sobrang excited kami about these items, guys. In fact, hindi lang kami ina-ask to make this video. Pero we wanted to kasi gusto namin maging aware din kayo. Bakit nga ba gusto namin si 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃? Pero bago tayo magpatuloy guys, share lang namin sa inyo na aside from the free shipping nationwide, meron ding promo si 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃 that runs until May 9, 2021. And aside from that, you can also take advantage of the 10% discount when you purchase any 𝗵𝗃𝗃 products via www.𝗵𝗃𝗃.net. So let's say napili mo yung 𝗵𝗃𝗃 Portable Germinator 2.0. Upon checkout, just use our code Omni and Bryce loves 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃 and then click apply. Before pandemic pa, 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃 has been here already.
Actually kahapon nung nag-check out tayo sa Lazada.
Yes, may check out din kami
May binili na naman kaming 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃 na item. The 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃 Germinator. So it's like a larger version of the 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃 that we have and we use for sanitizing our groceries. Kasi yung 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃 Germinator, gagamitin naman namin yun pag-sanitize ng car.
Yeah, hanggang 10 square meter yun na area. So pwede sa car. Ipakita natin yung box, yung packaging.
It's a box inside the box. Wait, hold on, darling. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Yawn. Go, daddy, go. Yeah. More.
Mom!
More! Yan, ito siya. So, it is the 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃 Super Air Cleaner with 7 stages purification.
Basically, kailangan daw ang purifier may HEPA filter para effective talaga siya.
Yes. Best for people with allergic rhinitis, asthma, and other respiratory conditions.
Since may box naman pala siya, wala may box din si robot para makapag-picture tayo together with the items na nakabox pa.
Sige. So,
Okay,
thank you,
ang ganda naman
𝗵𝗃𝗃.
Look super
Wow! So, sleek ng packaging.
Isa there's a baby at the back.
Ito sabi, kills up to 99.9% viruses, bacteria, allergens, and molds.
Yan. Picture muna tayo.
Picture mo yan. Ate Sena, come here.
Ready, smile!
Nagsa-smile talaga siya, sabi ni Sado.
Sabi natin lahat ng nasa box.
I think yes.
Yeah, Wi-Fi connected then. Yes, you can operate it using your phone.
Oh, nice! So, parang your phone will be your remote control. Parang ganun.
Ang alam ko.
Ibigyan pa namin kayo ng further information about these products. Pag na-review na namin talaga, yung nagamit talaga namin ng matagal-tagal na enough for us to really assess yung quality, yung performance niya.
So, yan. There's a
Very good.
There's a remote control na super cute. Maliit lang siya.
Yeah,
user manual.
Warranty card.
May warranty card. Instruction kung paano mo siya i-connect sa Wi-Fi and all. Yeah!
Oh, be careful though, Dad. Yep. Oh, well packed, no, Daddy? I think this is the back part kasi that's where you find the cord.
I'm so excited.
You're so excited. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Parang magic na ito ah. Oh,
So big.
course, as expected, the very clean and minimalist design of 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃.
Pauso-usuin yung mga design ng bahay na white.
Oo, yung bahay natin.
Yung feature, nakalingin mo, white
Ay,
din yun.
ang tipis lang yan, nakakatuwa, hindi siya bulky. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Before you please open the front and uncover the package of filters. Open the front and uncover the package of filters, which is this. Ayan. Oh, wait, what's that? Here. Ayan, may warning siya guys ha. Baka ma-miss out kasi kami, we almost missed it out. So there's a warning card
So
here.
yeah, it's really without manual. I know what to do.
Wow. Ikaw na.
Hindi, I mean, madali siyang gamitin, even without the manual. Ito yung plastic cover na pinapatanggal. Tama?
Yes.
Cover ng filter.
Remove the cover of filter.
Oh, it's easy to ano.
Ah, okay. You have to remove each tatanggalin mo lahat from the plastic. Hindi pala ginawa natin ito dahil.
Just collect everything.
This is the first layer. Sunod-sunurin natin. Kung ako yan, isasaksak ko yan agad. Seriously?
Oo, si mami kasi lahat siya agad-agad.
Kasi I would assume na ready na siya, alam mo yun. So isasaksak ko siya agad.
Ano ba sinabi niya doon? Yun lang?
Wala yun lang. Basta tanggalin lang daw sa plastic bag.
Peppa filter.
Yes.
Okay. Don't forget how we remove para you won't have to look at the manual para ibalik.
Oo. Okay. So 3 layers siya.
Enjoy ko to
Yan.
What I like about it, na-notice ko, is kapag
Tanggal mo siya, may hawakan dito.
madali yung tanggalin pag lilinisin mo na siya. Tapos may pang hila.
Ano ba paano ito lilinisin? Sigurado nasa manual na.
Saka na yung paglinis guys, napaka-ulit tayo ng mahal na araw dito. And it's easy to return. Nice, I like it.
Oops. Okay.
Okay,
So I
there.
think that's it. Meron bang rule ba ito sa hindi ba siya pwede yung nalagay?
We will check sa manual mamaya. Unboxing na lang tayo mahal. Yun yung itsura niya.
And may touch button siya sa ibabaw. I think it's important to note that. Nice. Magaang lang ba, Dad?
Well, hindi siya sobrang gaang, pero for its size, sakto lang.
Actually, magaang na rin siya. Relatively light. Kung ililipat mo lang siya from one corner to another, kaya. Pero yung kung iaakit mo ng hagdan, I guess, you have to have a support or someone.
Ano pa din? Well,
Like ako, di ba? I don't have the physical strength that's same as yours. According to the packaging, yung coverage area niya is 60 square meters. So that means itong buong salas namin kaya niyang linisin.
So, ito yung, ang tawag ito mahal?
Selection buttons.
Mga
That's what they call it.
selection button.
Touchpad siya, no? Hindi siya
Ayun!
Ano yun?
Touch panel.
Touch
Ayun.
panel.
So, ayan. Ito yung touch panel niya, guys. Nakikita niyo ba dyan? So, yeah. Touch screen siya. Kaya nga touch panel.
Gusto ko yung ginagawa natin.
Ano pa? Walang masyadong walang
It's not
complicated.
complicated.
Dito muna. Kaya marami din kami yung mga nabasang testimonies na talagang effective siya pantagal ng allergic rhinitis,
Asthma.
So, may test namin kasi si Sia, and
Tuwing-
even ako, tuwing morning,
Aching-aching.
Umaching kami dahil sa, may mga particles dito sa bahay. Particles with air quality indicator.
Wow.
Ay, ang galing, wait na.
Teka,
Importante ito.
putik na ako matamaan.
Ay! Hindi, meron siyang air quality indicator. This is important. Pag green daw, excellent air quality, tamang-tama taga, kulay green ang color ng 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃. Orange, moderate air quality. Red, heavily polluted air quality. Ay, ang ganda ito. The Air Purifier with UV, germicidal, disinfection that
Not only cleans the air, but also kills the bacteria and gives you real fresh air.
Yun. By the way, syempre guys, bago na malimutan, i-follow niyo si 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃 sa Facebook and Instagram.
And also, check out their website.
Oh yeah.
Ito yung website nila.
Tapos nasa Lazada rin sila, nasa
Yes.
Shopee. Ayan, kaya kami nakabili nung ano,
Yung Germinator.
sobrang sulit yun.
Yes,
Okay, now let's proceed with
the 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃
ang aming favorite. Ito talaga guys.
Ito talaga
Ano
rin
naman.
look forward with that.
Kasi pag no yaya live,
Let's talk about love, like you and me all night, and let's talk about love.